You're the one they're hunting, the pirate.
You look familiar. Have I ever threatened you before?
I've made a point of avoiding familiarity with pirates.
Then it would be a shame to put a black mark on your record. So if you'll excuse me, do you think this is wise, boy?
You threatened Miss Swan.
Only a little. Darn! You know what you're doing, I'll give you that. Excellent form. But how's your footwork? If I step here... Ta! That'd be a wonderful trick. Except, once again, you're between me and the way out. Now you have no weapon. Who makes all the...
I do, and I practice with them at least 3 hours a day.
You need to find yourself a girl. Or maybe the reason you practice 3 hours a day is you found one, but can't get her.
No! I practice 3 hours a day, so when I beat a pirate, I can kill him. You cheated.
What did you expect? Pirate!